this is a 2022 model, and it's got 26 miles on it. I used it a lot during early bow season here in Virginia. I haven't really used it much during muzzleloading season, and rifle season came in here last Saturday, so hope to use it a little bit more here in the next couple of weeks. But overall, I've been very happy with it. I hope y'all are enjoying yours. I really have no complaints. Thoroughly enjoy it. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to have y'all tag along with me and let's see how this little thing does climbing some hills here. Beautiful day here in the Shenandoah Valley. But I do want to say, as we approach Thanksgiving holiday, remember the reason for Thanksgiving. I hope that y'all have a very blessed Thanksgiving with the people that you care about and the ones that you love. Please don't forget those that are fighting overseas for our freedoms. Please remember them and their families. I'm going to leave this video off here, but like I said, it's hunting season here in Virginia. We've been really busy with hunting season and work. I hope you and your families are doing very well, and I hope you guys are enjoying your CF motos. Again, mine's got 26 miles on it, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Hope to use it a little bit more here in this later part of the hunting season here in Virginia. So hopefully I'll get another video or two up here soon, but if not, I wish y'all the very best this Thanksgiving season and the holidays ahead. God bless you and take care.